Explosions, Part 2. Giant tomato. Yeah, that's awesome. Not just a normal tomato. Here's the aftermath of our other one. The banana. Giant tomato. If you can see it, we check. Yes. Let me get a little closer. Okay. Closer. Okay, good. Alright. In 1, 2, 3. Well, not really. But I'm expecting the tomato to break easier. But alright, it might not. Go! Oh! It's splashing me. Oh crap, I broke the table. Oh, and it fell through the hole that I broke. Oh crap. My dad's gonna be so mad at me. Let's just finish that off. That's the aftermath, yep. That. Here, let me... I don't think you can see it that well, but... Sorry for the barking.